Welcome, it's Denson DIY, and today we're starting our planting for our garden. I love all of the beans and bell peppers. Those are my favorite, but I also like banana peppers.
In this video, we're going to use 2-inch peat pots, which you can plant directly in the soil. But if you'd like to see seed trays, we have that as well.
So here we have the soil, and Dad will show you how to scoop it. You do that, and then you shake it off and put it in there, and then we're going to get to the seeds. So here we have these 2 seeds, and you put 2 to 3 in there at one time, so just in case 2 or 1 of them doesn't grow. And then we're using a toothpick to put them down. So that's how we do it. You can do it anyway, but that's what I think the most efficient way is.
One of the things you'll notice in the background that we use as a hack is we actually took a used takeout container and used that for our base so we could water from below and above. From above, we just use a spritz with the spray bottle. But from below, we go ahead and fill it up with our watering can. Let us know in the comments what some of your favorite things are to plant and to put in your garden.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, consider liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications so you can see whenever we do lives or videos or even shorts. Thanks for watching.
Click right here if you'd like to see the full video on setting up and planting your seed tray.